Flat rate mechanic here. Just wanted to do a quick video on the Hunter Revolution hands-free tire machine or automatic tire machine. This thing's a pretty sophisticated piece of equipment, pretty impressive. But it's relatively new to the shop here. It's all touchscreen. It's all automated. As you can see here, I'm just setting the touchscreen to begin. It's all controlled with a foot pedal. I just locked it in. Now I'm just going to set the arm to the tire where the tire pressure monitor is or the valve stem is. That way when the tire comes off it doesn't break the tire pressure monitor. And from there, I'm just going to hold down the foot pedal and the machine's going to take the tire off all by itself. And it will put the tire back on the same way, completely hands-free. Very useful when you're doing 20-inch wheels or 20-inch and above wheels or run flat tires. I'll leave a few links below to some tire changing supplies like the plastic heads that will prevent the tire machine from damaging the wheel, along with some other stuff you can get on Amazon relatively cheap. But as you can see here, this machine is pretty slick and it works just as good on the larger size tires too, 20 plus or the run flats. It really makes our job easy. This is a Hunter Revolution automatic tire changer. Hands-free tire changing. Be sure to hit thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Till next time, Flat Rate Mechanic.